Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's lesson, we're going to learn something super useful, the negative imperative, and in Hebrew, tzivui shlili. Tzivui, command, shlili, negative. In English, it's when you tell someone, don't do something. In Hebrew, it's al and then the verb. Ready? בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. So in Hebrew, when you want to say don't do something, you use al plus the verb in the future tense form. For example, תלך means you will go when speaking to a singular male. To say don't go, you will add al in front of the verb, and then you would say אל תלך. Don't go. Easy, right? Let's see how it works with the different pronouns. We'll start with you, masculine singular. To say don't go there when speaking to a man, say אל תלך לשם. אל don't תלך you will go, singular male, לשם, to there. אל תלך לשם. To say, don't forget your keys. When speaking to a male, say, אל תשכח את המפתחות שלך. אל don't תשכח, you will forget, singular male, את המפתחות, the keys, שלך, of yours, singular male. אל תשכח את המפתחות שלך. To say, don't do it or don't do that. When speaking to a male, say, אל תעשה את זה. אל don't תעשה, you will do, singular male, את זה, that or it. אל תעשה את זה. Now, let's go over some examples for you, feminine singular. To say, don't go there when speaking to a female, say, אל תלכי לשם. אל don't תלכי, you will go, singular female, לשם, to there. אל תלכי לשם. To say, don't worry. When speaking to a female, say, אל תדאגי. אל don't תדאגי, you will worry. אל תדאגי. To say, don't get up late. When speaking to a female, say, אל תקומי מאוחר. אל don't תקומי, you will get up, singular female, מאוחר, late. אל תקומי מאוחר. Now, let's go over the plural form. It's relevant for both you, masculine plural, or you, feminine plural. To say, don't forget to do your homework. When speaking to a group, say, אל תשכחו לעשות שיעורי בית. אל don't תשכחו, you will forget, plural, לעשות, to do, שיעורי בית, homework. אל תשכחו לעשות שיעורי בית. To say, don't be late to the lecture. When speaking to a group, say, אל תאחרו להרצאה. אל don't תאחרו, you will be late, plural, להרצאה, for the lecture. אל תאחרו להרצאה. To say, don't talk during the movie. When speaking to a group, say, אל תדברו בזמן הסרט. אל, don't, תדברו, you will talk, plural, בזמן, at the time of, הסרט, the movie. אל תדברו בזמן הסרט. To say, don't eat fast. When speaking to a group, say, אל תאכלו מהר. אל, don't, תאכלו, you will eat, plural, מהר, fast. אל תאכלו מהר. Let's practice what you've learned. How would you say, don't be mad at him when speaking to a male? You will be mad is תכעס. At him, עליו. אל תכעס עליו. How would you say, don't forget me when speaking to a female? You will forget, singular female is תשכחי. מי אותי. אל תשכחי אותי. How would you say, don't go there when speaking to a group? You will go, plural, תלכו. To there, לשם. אל תלכו לשם. So today, we learned how to say don't do something in Hebrew. We say al, which means don't, and then add the future tense form of the verb. Try to write some negative imperative sentences in the comments below. I'll go over them. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Hebrew lessons. And if you want to download the worksheet and to support the channel, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. תודה רבה. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.